We are honored to welcome Dr. C.M. Nautiyal, a renowned Earth and planetary scientist, as our esteemed chief guest for the Junior School Founders Day. With groundbreaking contributions to isotopic studies, radiocarbon dating, and rock art research, Dr. Nautiyal has inspired countless minds through over 900 lectures worldwide. A recipient of numerous national and international awards, his dedication to science and education makes his presence truly inspiring for all of us. We invite you, sir, on the stage to enlighten the gathering.
Respected Anjali ma'am, Romini ma'am, Asha ma'am, the staff, and most importantly, the young students in front of me, including some friends of mine whom I just noticed, Dr. Shah and Mrs. Shah. It's indeed a great moment for me to be addressing you. This is a school with a difference. I have been to many schools, I don't know how many, countless, almost hundreds or maybe thousands. But the kind of spirit that pervades this campus, I have not found anywhere else. And I think this has some kind of a divine feeling. And if you come to the academic side, it's not just art or just science or just commerce or something which makes people more efficient in their academics or makes them engineers, scientists, doctor, or IPS officers or administrative officers or media professionals. That is just one aspect of the total personality of a student. There are many other aspects like culture, like etiquettes, like the way they look at their country and at their duty towards this nation, kind of feeling for this motherland. And I think all these things together make a person complete. And this cannot be measured in terms of only the jobs they procure or the salary packet that they earn. I have been visiting these institutions for last several years. I have been to many of the exhibitions. Today, I happen to see the wonderful projects and models presented by the students. And I can say with confidence that some of them were outstanding, and I would very much like the principal and other staff to encourage these students to continue making such models, and that is how the innovators are born. There is one National Innovation Foundation in our country, which is headed by a student of a younger colleague of mine from my Ahmedabad days. And I think if some of these models are original, innovative, they should be forwarded to them for the further action. The enthusiasm was infectious. They were bubbling with a spirit which would touch the sky. It was not just physics, chemistry, mathematics, commerce, or such fields. More than that, it was their wish to excel, a will to do something which others have not done. And I think this is the most important spirit that a school can generate. School just doesn't impart information and knowledge. First of all, there is a difference between information and knowledge. When information is acquired, this has to be processed to convert it into knowledge. And even after the knowledge is gained, knowledge is acquired, knowledge is treasured by the student, how one puts it to actual use in life, actual use in profession is something different. And I think this school is doing this great job of merging the boundaries and making the students really appreciate and understand and identify their true potential. And this is the biggest job of a school. Just imparting information or knowledge is not what a school should do. A school should be able to help the students identify their true worth, their true abilities, and how they're going to use it in their future life. I'm indeed happy about my association with this school, and I have had chance to meet some of the former students of this institution. 3 of them were here today. One of them of a media personnel, one of them has been selected for IPS, another one who is with the Microsoft as a computer engineer. But I think that is on the tip of the iceberg. There are many other students whom I have been meeting in every annual function here. They are all not only very successful people in their professions, but also very happy and contented people. And I think that is what makes their life worth it. I congratulate Anjali ma'am, the whole management, Promini ma'am, Asha ma'am, and the whole staff for doing this wonderful job of making this school what it is today. And I wish many, many more years of success to the school, to its students, and the faculty. Thank you so much.